These are the headlines for today evening. Bitcoin trades below $17,000, Ether trades above $1,200. New FTX CEO says Sam Bankman-Fried does not speak on FTX's behalf. Voyager token surges on report Binance to offer Lifeline to the bankrupt crypto lender. El Salvador's president Nayib Bukele and Tron's Justin Sun to buy 1 Bitcoin every day. Bahamian FTX liquidators cite serious fraud and mismanagement in court filings. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets continue to extend losses due to unabated withdrawal pressure on the back of another exchange, Genesis, suspending withdrawals in its lending business after facing abnormal withdrawal requests in the aftermath of the FTX collapse. The withdrawal requests exceeded current liquidity at Genesis Global Capital, the lending arm reported Bloomberg. However, it was also noted that US economic indicators failed to provide support to cryptocurrency prices despite a 1.3% jump in retail sales, analysts believe. Manoj Thara joins us to explain how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Manoj.
Cryptocurrency markets continue to extend losses due to unabated withdrawal pressure on the back of another exchange, Genesis, suspending withdrawals in its lending business after facing abnormal withdrawal requests in the aftermath of the FTX collapse. So, the withdrawal requests exceeded current liquidity at the Genesis Global Capital, the lending arm, reported Bloomberg. That was actually the scene which happened in the bankrupt exchange, FTX. So, however, it was also noted that the US economic indicators failed to provide support to the cryptocurrency market despite a 1.3% jump in the retail sales. That's what the analysts are saying. So IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading lower by 2.2% at 24,400 points. So if you talk about the overall global cryptocurrency market, that registered another day of decline due to the collapsed FTX and the ripple effect, the cumulative market cap is down by 2% over the past 24 hours. The total market cap actually stands at $824 billion. And if we talk about the total trading volume in the last 24 hours has dropped by around 5%, which is at $58 billion. However, investors are worried about the broader impact of the financial sector as venture capital firm Temasek, which is actually the Singapore sovereign wealth fund as well, that manages about $300 billion, is the next after Sequoia to write off roughly around $275 million in investments to FTX and FTX US. And this is the reason why, market is actually drifting lower because of the ripple effect. And there are a lot of other big venture capitalist firms, wealth firms who are actually declaring their assets or their exposure in FTX. So the US equities were trading lower as if you talk about the broader financial sector, the losses are on the back of oil and gas technology, which propelled prices of the shares lower. That's what analysts are saying. Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.12%, S&P 500 index fell around 0.9%, and Nasdaq was trading lower by 1.54%. So, world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was trading at $16,520, down 1.4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was trading down by 3.4% at 1,192, testing that 1,200 resistance zone. So, if we talk about the other altcoins, Binance BNB was down 3% at $265. So, next on the list is Polygon Matic, which was trading down by 5% at $0.88. If let me give you a brief background, what has actually happened. Because of FTX and the broader concern, there was an exposure in Solana by the Alameda Research, and we have seen a broad-based selling in Solana, And because of this Solana's broad-based selling, there are a couple of other blockchains or the ecosystem players who have benefited. So that's what market analysts are saying. Ethereum and Polygon are the biggest beneficiary of this fall. Solana Sol was next on the list, which we are talking about, is down 0.5% and was trading at $14. So we have seen an extended selling in Solana, which was roughly around 65%. Post that, we have seen a buying activity in Solana as well. Cardano's ADA token was down by 3.8% to trade at $0.32. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3.5% at 0.084. We have seen a broad-based buying in DogeCoin after optimism over the Twitter deal, and we have seen some of the buying cooling off, because of the broader FTX impact on the market. Shiba Inu was trading down by 3.2%, and next on the list was Avalanche FX, was trading at $13, down by 2%. Ripple's XRP token was at $0.37, down by 2.8%. Polkadot was last on the list, was down by 3.8%, was trading at $5.
Thank you, Manoj, for this in-depth market analysis. And now back to the headlines. FTX is trying to do damage control in the midst of a bankruptcy process that has sent shockwaves throughout the whole crypto industry. Following days of cryptic and controversial tweets from former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, plus today's revelation of shocking direct messages to a Vox reporter saying that his focus on effective altruism and bailing out crypto companies was mostly front, FTX's newly installed CEO took to Twitter to distance the firm from its founder and one-time poster child. In a small Twitter thread, the official account of FTX spoke out regarding their relationship with Sam Bankman-Fried following the bankruptcy. The account attributes the words to John Ray, Chief Restructuring Officer and new CEO of the company following the resignation of Sam Bankman-Fried. Mr. Ray was emphatic in pointing out that Sam Bankman-Fried has no current ties with FTX, FTX US or Alameda Research Limited. He added that SBF's opinions are purely his own and in no way represent official company viewpoints. Voyager Digital's native coin, Voyager, surged Thursday after it was reported that leading digital assets exchange Binance's US arm is relaunching a bid to purchase the Bankrupt crypto lending platform. VGX jumped more than 55% to $0.45, the highest level since October 21. The token is still down 85% this year. Following FTX's announcement last week to file for bankruptcy, Voyager said it had reopened the bidding process for the company and is in active discussions with alternative bidders. Wave financial and trading platform Cross Tower are reported to be in the running. Bitcoin holder El Salvador President Nayib Bukele and Justin Sun, the founder of the Tron cryptocurrency network and Grenada's ambassador, have decided to accumulate Bitcoin at a pace of 1 BTC per day. "We are buying 1 Bitcoin every day starting tomorrow," Bukele tweeted late Wednesday. Soon after, Sun announced a similar plan mimicking Bukele's accumulation strategy. The strategy of purchasing Bitcoin on a set schedule instead in reaction to market movements is known as dollar cost averaging. The advantage of DCA is that it removes the emotional component of decision making and you end up paying less in dollar terms for the investment over the long run than you would spend while timing the market. El Salvador announced Bitcoin as legal tender in June last year in hopes that the cryptocurrency would help solve long-standing economic issues. Since then, the debt-riddled nation has purchased 2,381 BTC, supposedly at an average price of $43,000. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
The GameFi segment is one of the fastest growing segments in the blockchain space, and Avalanche is among the networks looking to capitalize on that growth. Avalanche peaked at $20.31 on November 6th as it gave its best to recover from the bearish trend that engulfed the broader crypto market towards the tail end of October and the opening days of the current month. However, on November 12th, the cryptocurrency experienced a severe price correction that pulled it all the way down to $12.51. Avalanche is trading at $13.16, down by 2.58% in the past 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $3 billion. The utility Hobby token has been called into question recently as the token have lost a significant amount of value. Hobby token is the native currency of the Hobby Global Crypto Exchange. The Hobby token was created as a way to reduce trading fees on the Hobby Global Exchange. However, many users have found that the token doesn't actually offer any significant discount when used to pay trading fees. In addition, Hobby token experiencing uncertainty from investors. After other recent major events involving the downfall of other exchanges, Hobby token has been experiencing a crash. Hobby token is trading at $4.63, down 5.71% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $7 million. The recent decline of the FTT token has exacerbated price volatility in crypto markets. Top cryptocurrencies have taken massive hits as the overall market cap has shrunk even further. As a result, investors are shifting away from these projects and towards more profitable ones. Uniswap and PancakeSwap, the top Ethereum and BSC DEX platforms, are both losing market share. Orient Network is the biggest winner in the volatile market, following a successful second pre-sale phase in which early backers earned 110% profits. PancakeSwap was trading at $3.81, down by 3.27% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $5 million.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.